Since Bühler India is celebrating 30 years, how you see the market for grains and food in India, and what challenges you have, or you can tell how you want to overcome these issues?
Yeah, good question. The grains and food market, I clearly see this on the opportunities to grow because there are various things are happening. One is that sustainability into the production of food grains. Second thing is the population growth. We see the convenience, hygiene, food safety topic, food security topic comes into it. We are looking into the nutritional part of the food side of it. At the same time, from the infrastructure point of view, we see a development happening from infrastructure point of view, which has a positive impact onto the grain logistics. So looking at those possibilities, we see a clear growth opportunities into the grain and the food sector. Going forward, if you ask me the challenges, definitely I would say that the skills available to run those mills, skills available to operate them, skills available to maintain them, and then the new IoTs and the new digitalization are coming up. How you cope up with those with the existing infrastructure, existing setup to a new level, because at the end, efficiencies will only matter when it comes to the any production facilities.
And since government of India is pushing mostly on nutrition and nutraceuticals, mainly nutritions, since how you want to Bühler India is looking at taking this nutrition into the next level, sir?
I think the nutrition come first. It is within the grain.
Correct.
You have to see when you process the grain, you ensure that you don't touch those nutritions.
Correct.
And when we start looking into our R&Ds and then the innovations, we see it how we don't touch those nutrients and maintain those nutrients when you are processing.
Right.
Maybe with the high temperatures, high stress,
Right.
or maybe the high brokens or high shear.
Right.
You try to break that. So we are
Right.
making sure that we try our best to maintain those nutrients in the grain. At the same time, there are technologies of fortification,
Right.
where we do the fortification into the flour,
Right.
adding some of the micronutrients into the flour, folic
Right.
acid into the flour
Right.
is one
Right.
area. Second time you can do the fortification of the rice,
Right.
where you reconstitute the rice
Right.
kernel.
Right.
Not only it looks good as a rice, but it also ensures that all these micronutrients are there, and not only it is there, it is present
Right.
while you are cooking them also. So
Right.
all those areas we are looking into maintaining those micronutrients and nutrients inside the food grain.
Okay.